question is when I press P, okay, this bulb will light up. Okay, when I release, that means I let go, the button will spring up. Once the button spring up, okay, the light bulb must be still lighted. The question is which circuit okay, when I press the button P, okay, this light bulb will turn on. Okay, so you will ask yourself, hey boss, what is this? P is what? P is the button, push button. What is this? This is a timer, or this is a contactor. When there's a current pass through, this one will come down. Okay, it's like a contactor. So in A, B, C or D, okay, when I push the button, this thing comes down. When I release the button, the light's still on. Okay, which one is the correct one? Right, so come with, take some time, look at the drawing. I give you all 1 minute, come up with the answer. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, look at A first. Okay, A. Alright, you all can pause the video and think about it. Come to B. Okay, you all can pause the video and think about it. Come to C. Pause the video, look at it, and we come to D. Okay, I repeat the question again. So the question is when I press P, okay, this bulb will light up. Okay, when I release, that means I let go, the button will spring up. Once the button spring up, okay, the light bulb must be still lighted. That means it will be still bright. Okay, which one is the correct circuit? Okay, A, B, C or D? Okay. Okay, Kobil. Hey, EMA don't have time for you one, quick. A. Saram. C. Okay, let's see. Let's see who is correct. The current flow into P, right? Flow into here, flow into here, right? Go back to neutral, right?
Yes.
So now, the current flow into here, flow down, all right? Flow to the bulb, flow up, flow here. Will the bulb light up or not? Yes, correct. I press button.
On the center one.
No, I don't need to press any button. The light is on, right?
Yeah, light. Press also light. You release also light.
Yes.
So wrong side.
Yes, this is wrong.
The
This is not the correct circuit.
Directly.
Okay. Come. B. Now I don't press button. The light come out or not? No light. Now I press the button. Okay. I press the button. The current go down. Go to contactor. Go up. Go to the fuse. Okay. Now this one come down. Okay. This one release. So I cut away. Okay. Then this one connected. Okay. So this one come here. Go over here. Go up. This one just now energized. Once energized, he got energy or not? Has. B. Now we see. Now I press the button. Okay. This one will close. Right. Then after that, this is still open just now. Okay. This is still open. When I press the button here, the current will flow to the coil. The current also will flow to the light, right? Then go up, go back to the battery. Okay, then this one energized, come down. Close the circuit. Now, I release the button, let go. This one open. So, you check again. The current flow come down. Go over here, go up, go through here, come down again, go through the bulb, go through here, go through the fuse, go back to the battery. So this one correct.
This one also on, can light, off also light.
On, no. The question is, when I press this button, this one must come on. When I release, this one must also turn on. So does the question? Yes, this is the. Oh, this is the correct one. Okay, come. Don't worry. We learn. Okay. How do you apply the thinking skill? Now again, when I turn on the switch, this one turn on. Okay. The current come down, go to here, go up, go to here, energize, bam, this one close, right? So it goes up to here and come back to here and go through the fuse and go back to the battery. Okay, now I release this one, I open. What happened? Once I open, here got any power or not? No power. Then what happened? Spring back up. This one jump back. So this one correct or not? When I release the water, no more light already, what?
Yeah.
So correct or not? Wrong, right?
Wrong.
How about this one? This one I turn on. Right? No more. Then come to here, energize. Okay, the drawing a bit weird. Energize, come down. Oh, this one cannot even be energized. Wait, when I press the button, goes up here. Cannot, this one cannot even be turned on. This one cannot be turned on. This one cannot be turned on. This one, okay, the contactor here, right, can be turned or off, turned on or not. This is a question I want to ask you all. Can the inductor or the contactor, you press the button, the spring will go up and down or not?
Cannot. This one no join here.
Okay, so you see, this inductor don't work. You see, let's see again. Come down, go to the bulb, goes up, goes to the fuse.
Yeah, because never go through the bulb.
Correct? Again, so now, the current flow from here, goes to the light, and goes back to the system, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, does the inductor got power to energize? No, because the return path is cut away, or the incoming path is cut away, so the inductor don't work.